Namaskar student, welcome again. We are doing chapter number 2 from Geography class 8, Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife Resources. In 4 videos we have explained the all chapters. Now today we are doing the question answer of this chapter according to your NCERT book. So question number 1 is, which are the two main climatic factors responsible for soil formation? We have done the soil formation diagram also. So this question is asking about the factors. So two factors are the main two climatic factors responsible for soil formation are temperature and rainfall, wherein rainfall influences the rate of weathering and humus formation. Clear? So you can note down these two factors in point number 1 and point number 2. Now question number 2. Write any two reasons for land degradation today. Land resources we have earlier explained in the video number first. The overuse of chemical fertilizers and deforestation are two main reasons for land degradations. Main two reasons we have discussed: the excess use of the chemical fertilizer and deforestation. The growing population and their ever-growing demands has led to the large-scale destruction of forest cover and the arable land and has created a fear of losing natural resources. Now, as we seen that population is growing day to day, so their demand is also increasing. So destruction of the forest cover and arable land means the area where crops are grown. So these areas are reducing. So answer is overuse of chemical fertilizer and deforestation are the two main reasons for land degradations. Now question number 3. Why is land considered an important resources? In first video we have discussed about the use of land. So this question is regarding the that topic. Land is considered an important resource because it can be put to use for various purposes like agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads and setting up of industries. These all things you have to write in these questions about the uses of land. Now question number 4. Name any two steps that government has taken to conserve plants and animals. The two main steps taken by government to protect and conserve plants, animals and natural vegetation are: first, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reservoir are made to protect our natural vegetation. Second is awareness programs like the social forestry and tree plantations, Van Mahotsav, are organized to the conserve forests which are a valuable natural resources. So many programs are there. We have done also map work for the wildlife sanctuary. I hope you all have done that map work. Now question number 5. Suggest 3 ways to conserve water. How can you conserve the water? The main 3 ways to conserve water are increasing forest cover and other vegetation to slow the surface runoff. Increase karna for forestations, you can write it the in short forestation. Second is the replenishing underground water through the rainwater harvesting. Second way suggest is the rainwater harvesting. Third is reducing loss of water in the irrigation and shifting to the less water intensive method of agriculture. So these are the three ways. You can write more and more ways for conserving water at your own level. Now the question number 2 of this chapter is take the correct answer. MCQs are there. So first MCQs is, which one of the following is not a factor of soil formation? Answer is not a factor of soil formation. So answer is soil texture. Second is, which one of the following method is most appropriate to check soil erosion to the steep slope? So answer is terrace cultivation. Third is, which one of the following is not a favor of the conservation of natural resources? Now first is, switch off the bulb when not is used. It is the way to conserve the electricity. Close to the tap immediate after using, ये भी conserving का है. Answer is not in favor of conserving of nature. So right answer is the dispose poly bags after the shopping. Now question number 3 is your matchups. So question number 1, I am explaining the answers also. Question number 3, first is land use. Land use answer is productive use of land. Productive use of land. Humus, organic matters deposit on the top soil. Rock dam, prevent soil erosion. Biosphere, narrow zone of contact between the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. These are the right options. Now question number 4, state whether the given statement is true or false, and if true, give the answers. So first question is, the Ganga Brahmaputra plain of India is an overpopulated region. It is the true. Why? Just because river valley and plains offers often suitable land for agriculture, hence they are densely populated. In land use we have seen that the density of population in the plain area is the more than the other areas. So river valley and plains often suitable land for agriculture, so they are densely populated. Question number 2, water availability per person in India is declining. In why? Okay, water availability of per person in India decline. Increasing population, increasing urbanization, the rise of standard of living and rising demands for food and cash crop are leading to shortage in supply of fresh water. The shortage are either due to the dying of water sources and water pollution. So these are the reason. So that's why the water availability per person in India is declined. Now question number 3, rows of trees planted in the coastal area to check the wind movement is called the intercropping. So answer is false. Row of trees planted to check the wind movement and protect soil cover, these are called the shelter belt. क्या कहा जाता है उन्हें? Shelter belt, not the intercropping. Question number 4, human interference and changes of climate can maintain the ecosystem. The answer is false. Why? Answer is the climate change and human interference can cause the loss of natural habitat and hence destroy the ecosystem. Population जो change, climate change and human interference, it is the main causes of loss of the natural habitat and hence destroy the ecosystem. So these are the question answers of chapter number 2. I hope all question answer is explained to you. Do these question answer in your notebook, and there are some extra question answers of this chapter we will discuss later. So thank you students, thank you very much.